to another video about brewing beer. I hope you like brewing beer. I like brewing beer. Come along with me on a journey where we explore the pleasures of homebrewing. Today, I'm redeeming myself. Raw ale attempt number 2. The last one, the brew day went bad. The batch turned out bad. I had to dump it. It was the yeast, I'm 90% sure. I want another crack at this. I said this in the last video, but one of the big issues you're going to run into with doing raw ale potentially is DMS, which is that vegetable cooked corn flavor that can happen through the malting process that can then go into your beer later on. You boil it for 90 minutes, 60 minutes, it gets rid of that. However, if you're raw ale, you're not boiling it, obviously that could stay in your beer. Also, you can't get that much hops bitterness out of this because nothing's really being isomerized as far as your alpha acids go. Thirdly, the main one that I want to see more than anything is stability issues. Allegedly, if you have, if you don't do your protein break and you don't precipitate out, you could have potentially staling issues and flavor stability stuff later on in your beer. So those are the 3 main issues. I'm covering 2 of them. Well, first of all, I'm not worried about DMS. I never had it. Second, the IBUs I'm getting by doing a steep, 30-minute steep. Last time I went pretty hoppy on it. This time I'm dialing it down to 40 IBUs. I think last time I was at like 60 or something. But I'm going down 40 this time. And then the yeast I'm using is fresh lager yeast. I just made a lager a couple brew days ago, a couple videos ago. I don't know. But it's about 2 weeks old. I'm going to bottle that today, that beer, and then use the yeast for that, freshly done for this one. So no old yeast. And then I'm also going to do, I will be steeping this for 30 minutes at around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty much it. Doing just 2 row, and yeah, keeping everything really simple today. Let's get started. $10.57, 72% efficiency. It's still in the ballpark for what I'm doing. Rocking and rolling right now. There you have it. Harvested some of the yeast. 30 milliliters. I measured this out at one point, one of these little vials. That should be good for a lager. And it's really fresh. So, yeah, I'm going to keep this probably around 55 degrees, high 60, low 60, somewhere around there. I have it set right now for 56 degrees Fahrenheit, but I'll probably raise it up a little bit in a couple days. I'm fermenting my lager yeast a little warm, and I haven't noticed really that big of a difference. The one before this one did have a little diacetyl in it. Not this strain, but it was a different strain. It was like, I think the 838. So I pushed that one a little much on fermentation. I don't know if that's diacetyls because of that or just because I didn't let it rest long enough. It's hard to say. And I didn't do any wort flock in this. I just really want to see what the natural raw ale does, if there's stability issues, if there's DMS. I'm very excited to see really what the difference is. So yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the ride. Hope you got something out of it. Hopefully you feel a little better. Hopefully you can go out there and just conquer your next brew day. See you next time.